National Vice President ke National People's Party badai ru usembut Menteri Rang Khubor ba Sniawbhalang dhar ulapan pau ya kejing sngau scam bagi NPP kan job ik election shiteng samoi ke Shillong Lok Sabha banwan namar kiyo eu Kyrtong uba Baroh ki pa ba ki 8 bat kershan lut hakkel leng ki benta jang ke Shillong parliamentary seat. Daga bayaro ya Kyrtong baga parti ke sei u Dr. DR L Nonglaj na kaliang uba Sniawbhalang ula ong bambenta ki dan hakajing sngau shngan namar man ki circle bat ki unit ki shongshit bat ki shitreham bantrei na kabenta ka parti.
MP by-election. We are very confident of winning this time with the support of our people. So what to do from the party, we have to work hard. So now I'm very thankful to all the units at different levels in all different constituencies. The NPP unit worked very hard. So it seems it is a very, very positive sign for this coming by-election. For NPP, we never decide from the top. We always listen the view and suggestion from all units from all the 36 constituencies. So they recommend Dr. DR. We have to accept that.